Nation building is the continuous process of developing a country to improve the life of its people. It involves strengthening the economy, improving education, improving healthcare, protecting the environment, and creating opportunities for future generations. A strong nation is built not only by leaders but by citizens who are knowledgeable, skilled, and innovative. In today's modern world, science and technology serve as powerful foundations of nation building. They help solve problems, improve services, and create new possibilities for national progress. Nation building is the process of developing a country socially, economically, politically, and culturally. It requires cooperation between the government and its citizens. Teachers educate future leaders, healthcare workers protect lives, scientists and engineers develop solutions, while students prepare to become future contributors to society. Every action that improves the country, no matter how small, is part of a nation building. Science allows us to understand natural laws and discover new knowledge, whereas technology allows us to apply that knowledge to improve human life. Science and technology help nation building by improving healthcare systems, enhancing quality education, strengthening communication and transportation, supporting economic development and protecting the environment, as well as improving disaster preparedness and response. Nations that invest in science and technology often experience faster development because they can solve challenges more efficiently and create innovative solutions. In the Philippines, science and technology play a vital role in improving healthcare services. Medical technologies such as diagnostic machines help detect diseases earlier. Vaccines developed through scientific research protect many Filipinos. Telemedicine allows doctors to consult patients through digital platforms, helping people in remote provinces receive medical advice without traveling long distances. This advancement helps save lives and strengthen the nation. Science and technology also transform education in the Philippines. Digital learning platforms, online classrooms, and educational applications allow students to continue learning during emergencies such as natural disasters and pandemics. Scientific research also improves teaching methods by helping educators understand how students learn more effectively. Through technology, education becomes more accessible and inclusive for Filipino learners. As a student, I can help in nation building using science and technology by becoming a responsible and informed learner. I can contribute by using technology to gain knowledge and skills, sharing accurate and helpful information online, creating innovative ideas that help communities, applying scientific knowledge to solve local problems, and promoting environmental protection using scientific practices. Nation building begins with small actions. By using science and technology wisely, students can help build a stronger and more progressive Philippines.